Hello and welcome on my channel SafFix. I'm Saf and today I will try to guide you how to make stuff happen on the computer. Just follow me and everything should work fine. Okay, let's start. Click the message icon in the bottom right corner. Now search for a gear icon with description all settings. If you don't see one, it may be because your menu is collapsed, so just click expand. Now click the device option, mouse, and in the right corner additional mouse options. Now you can adjust your speed and test it on the small folder icon. And just apply, okay, and you're good to go. See you, thank you for watching.